Hello gorgeous, it's Jen. Welcome back to my channel. Today I am excited to share with you what I got in my Boxycharm by Ipsy for the month of April. I am going to go through the box. I'm going to put on and use as many products as I can. So if that sounds interesting to you, then just keep watching. If you're not familiar with Boxycharm or Ipsy, it is a subscription box that you get every month. There are different sizes at different costs. I get the base Boxycharm box. It's about $30 a month. You get 5 full-sized items. They pick 2 and you pick the other 3. You do take a quiz so that they know your skin type, your preferences, and I've been doing it for a while and it's been a lot of fun. Let's open the box and see what's inside. There's a little piece of paper. There is a magazine. It says here, Boxycharm, welcome home. There is a scan code so that you can look up your products to find out more information about them or their retail cost. They're talking about the different items that were picked for different people for the month of April. For example, some people got the First Aid Beauty Deep Cleanser with Red Clay product. Some got the Kosas Cloud Setting Powder. That would have been nice. And some got the Moon Prism Blush Palette. It's an interesting read for later. The first thing I'm gonna pull out is this one right here. This is the Haus Laboratories The Edge Precision Eyebrow Pencil. I got the shade Medium Brown. It's an award-winning brow pencil that helps shape and define your brows with total ease. There's a super fine tip to mimic fine hair-like strokes to create natural and blended brows. And the creamy smudge and transfer-proof formula contains vitamin E to help nourish and condition hairs. If you have been watching for a minute, my first Haus Laboratories product was in last month's Boxycharm, and it was the Monster Lip Crayon, and I did not like it. I am very hopeful for this product. It is a nice sort of matte brown color on the packaging. We've got a spoolie on this end, which I do appreciate, and a pretty small tip. I did put some of my makeup on. Of course, I will have everything listed and linked in the description box below for you. Some may be affiliate links, so if you choose to shop with them, I truly appreciate it and thank you for supporting me and my channel. So this brow pencil, the color is looking good. I'm not having any issues. This pencil retails for $22. That's very nice. All right, sisters, not twins, but brow pencil did a great job. Next, we have a cheek product. This is the Lunar Beauty Moon Prism Blush Palette. Retails for $35. Every season is blush season, and this palette is the perfect accessory. It features 6 shades, including 5 matte formulas and 1 shimmer shade that can truly fit any and every skin tone. This is what the inside looks like. It's a little protector. Ooh, a mirror and 6 beautiful shades. I'm happy to build my Lunar Beauty collection. I have the Nude Prism eyeshadow palette that I rave about constantly. I brought it in here just in case I need it today. But I love a good blush and I'm very excited about this. Here they are: Pink Moon, Twilight, Spacey, Gravity, Stargaze. This one is the shimmer one called Soleil. I'm thinking with my kind of mauvey deep brown lip that I like this one right here, and that is Spacey. By the way, the lip color that I'm wearing is the AF94 Majorly Matte Liquid Lip in the shade Just a Crush. One of my very favorite things about Boxycharm by Ipsy is the drop shop. You can shop throughout the month and then they have bigger sales, but you can get all kinds of makeup, skincare, tools at a discounted price. Some are brands I know, some are brands I don't know, but I've always been interested in this AF94 brand that you can find at Walmart. And this lip color retails for $8. I got it for $4 on the drop shop, and so far I like it a lot. It's my favorite kind of matte lip where I feel nothing. There's no stick, and it looks very nice. I'm happy I got it. Now, I want to match it with Spacey. And then maybe we'll throw a little Soleil on top. I don't know how pigmented these are, so I'm going to go very light-handed. And it looks like they do have some pigment. It's a nice flush to the cheeks. Just for giggles, let's try Pink Moon over here. I really like that one too. Softer. All right, I'm going to throw a little Spacey on top of here. Little Pink Moon on top of here. I love a good blush moment. Wiping off the brush, and then let's go into this Soleil a little bit and put it right across the top, maybe for a bit of a shimmer. Very nice. The next product that I have is an eye brush set from BYOD, which stands for Be Your Own Desire. This brush set is valued at $21, and it is a travel-friendly set of makeup brushes that has arrived to take your makeup to the next level. Here are what the brushes look like, and I like them, especially the smaller ones. I'm not a big, fluffy brush kind of girl, but I love a nice, small precision brush. I'll see if I can put those brushes to use because I did get an eye product. This is from About Face, and this is the Matte Fluid Eye Paint in Smell Before Rain. It's valued at $16. It is a one-swipe wonder that coats your lid in a matte beige color in seconds. No mess, no fuss. The ultra-pigmented powder glides on smoothly and then quickly sets into a creamy, smudge-proof finish that lasts for hours. I do own one of these. I have the shade Cloned, which is like a warm brown. I know Alexandra Anele loves this shade. If you don't watch her, I will link her channel. She's amazing. This is what it looks like. I, of course, have my About Face foundation on today, just for funsies. Interesting. It's like a warm brown. What would I call that? Do this. Maybe I'll take this big fluffy brush here and start blending the edges. Sort of tap it in before it sets. I did throw eyeshadow primer on because I just wasn't sure. A little bit underneath, which, by the way, that brush felt very nice. I'll take this little skinny one. This is the SB317. I'm just gonna blend. This first one, if you were curious, is the EB330. I'm not sure if they sell these brushes separate, but they do feel really nice. This color is just so unique. It almost has a green tinge to it. This is one of my favorite shades, So Icy. We just go into that one and just brighten that inner corner. Look at that. Oh. Just gives it a little something extra. Putting a little bit of liner on and using this little smudger brush. It's working out nice. This is the Makeup Forever Aqua Resist liner that I just got in my first Sephora haul. There will be another one on Monday. Just brushing my lashes. I find that I have to be careful with liquid eyeshadow. You get it in your lashes, you'll clump them up. So make sure you just run a brush through them before you go in with mascara. And mascara primer is our next product. This is the Too Faced Better Than Sex Foreplay Mascara Primer. It is clinically proven to lengthen, thicken, and lift lashes while delivering 24-hour improved mascara wear. It retails for $29. It says to apply on clean, dry lashes, wait up to 10 seconds, then follow with your mascara. I'm not a big mascara primer kind of girl. I just want a mascara that does it all. I know that Meloway did send me their mascara primer, and I do really enjoy that one. So that one is in my current rotation. But here's this, and it feels weighty and nice. I like the packaging with the black and pink. I like the look of the wand. Let's go ahead and put on a coat. You could just wear this on its own. That looks really nice. I'm gonna do one eye at a time. I waited about 10 seconds. I'm going to put a coat of my Sephora Love the Lift mascara. This is a current favorite, which you can see the wand is very similar. This is a baby. I just picked up the big size and the waterproof, if you haven't seen that video yet. I already love this mascara, but I do have to build it up a bit. And yes, I can already see this is very nice. Ooh, that looks really pretty. I'm impressed. It's not one of those pokey ones that you're gonna hurt yourself with. I appreciate that. I went ahead and added some tubing mascara on the bottom, and now I'll go ahead and set those House Lab eyebrows with a little bit of my LYS brow gel. I'm gonna add a little bit of my grape lip oil that I got from Temu. I love this stuff. And a little one size setting spray. Final thoughts. I am happy with all the things. The brow pencil performed great. The blush palette is probably my favorite because I just adore Lunar Beauty, and just as I suspected, the blush is blurring, popping, gorgeous. The brushes are great. I like the way that they feel. I was able to use 1, 2, 3 of them and no complaints. The mascara primer surprised me. I like it. I like the way it feels. I like the weight. I like the way it performs. I like that you could use it alone. It's really good. And the eye paint. I'm not 100% on the color. It's a little bit odd. Kind of green, kind of gray, kind of brown, kind of cream. I'm gonna keep playing with it, and I feel that the eye look turned out nice. Let me know what you think. I will put the box value right here. Do I feel I got my $30 worth? Absolutely. I will use every single thing in front of me. It was a hit this month, Boxycharm. As a reminder, I will have everything listed and linked in the description box below, including more information about Boxycharm. This is not sponsored. I just like to share what I got. I thank you so much for joining me. Be sure you are subscribed before you leave. I upload videos on Mondays and Saturdays. Give the video a thumbs up, and of course, leave me a comment. I love chatting with you down in the comment section. Have a fabulous day. I'll see you in the next one.